South Korea has taken a significant step forward in its defense capabilities, showcasing its commitment to maintaining a robust and advanced military force. On February 25, 2025, the country unveiled a prototype of its low-observable unmanned wingman system, or LOWUS, a project that has been in development for several years. This cutting-edge drone was showcased at Korean Air's Busan Tech Center, drawing attention from both local and international media. The unveiling of LOWUS marks South Korea's entry into a select group of nations developing advanced unmanned aerial systems, highlighting its growing technological prowess. This development has garnered significant attention from defense analysts worldwide, who are keen to understand the implications of this new technology. The LOWUS drone is a testament to South Korea's commitment to technological innovation in defense, representing a leap forward in unmanned aerial capabilities. It also showcases the country's response to evolving regional security challenges, ensuring it remains prepared for any potential threats. The unveiling of the LOWUS prototype marks a pivotal moment in South Korea's defense modernization efforts, setting the stage for future advancements in military technology. The development of LOWUS is a testament to South Korean ingenuity and innovation in the field of aerospace technology. Korean Air, a leader in the aerospace industry, spearheaded the design and production of the drone, showcasing their advanced capabilities and commitment to excellence. They worked closely with the Agency for Defense Development, South Korea's premier defense research institution, ensuring that the project benefited from the latest research and technological advancements. This collaboration brought together the best of both worlds: Korean Air's manufacturing expertise and ADD's cutting-edge technological prowess, creating a synergy that propelled the project forward. The project, initiated in 2021, is scheduled for completion by 2027, marking a significant milestone in South Korea's defense capabilities. It falls under the purview of the Defense Acquisition Program Administration, which oversees South Korea's military procurement and plays a critical role in equipping the armed forces with advanced weaponry and technology. The LOWUS project reflects a well-coordinated effort among key stakeholders in South Korea's defense sector, demonstrating a unified approach to national security and technological advancement. The LOWUS drone boasts a design that prioritizes stealth, making it a formidable asset in modern warfare. Its reduced radar cross-section makes it difficult to detect on enemy radar, allowing it to operate undetected in hostile environments. This is achieved through a combination of factors, including the drone's shape and the use of radar-absorbent materials in its construction, which significantly reduce its visibility. The drone's sleek, low-observable design draws inspiration from other advanced unmanned aerial systems, ensuring it remains at the cutting edge of stealth technology. Visually, it resembles the U.S. Air Force's XQ-58A Valkyrie and the Royal Australian Air Force's MQ-28 Ghostbat, both known for their advanced capabilities. The LOWUS features a trapezoidal fuselage, swept wings, and a V-shaped tail, all of which contribute to its stealthy profile and aerodynamic efficiency. Underneath its nose, an electro-optical sensor turret provides the drone with advanced situational awareness, enhancing its operational effectiveness in various missions. The LOWUS drone is designed to function as a loyal wingman for the KF-21 Boramae. The KF-21, South Korea's next-generation fighter jet, is a testament to the country's growing aerospace capabilities. Together, the KF-21 and LOWUS will form a formidable duo in the skies. The LOWUS will extend the KF-21's reach and enhance its combat effectiveness. The drone will act as a force multiplier, allowing the KF-21 to engage in combat more effectively.